So you are planning to retire this year? Come to Hot Springs Village and build the house of your dreams on a beautiful flat lake lot. Guess what? It has been built giving you a view of the huge lake view. What could be better? Open plan has divided bedrooms. Kitchen is chef's delight, abundance of custom cabinets, and upgrades everywhere, more than you might have ever thought available, custom finishes everywhere. Huge windows, and volume ceilings, linear electric fireplace, 3-car oversize garage, circular drive, huge finished suite above 3rd-car garage, you name the use. Sprinkler system in backyard. You could not have done better if you could have found a flat half-acre lake lot. List of amenities in documents. Agents, please see confidential remarks.